Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to use my bubble gun to create magical Triboelectric ghost bubbles. Ask yourself, is it magic or is it science? Check it out. For this investigation, I'm using a container of water with some Dawn dish detergent for my bubble solution. I'm using a PVC pipe, some rabbit fur, a cookie sheet, and of course, my bubble gun. The first step is to pour your bubble solution into your cookie sheet so you have a nice layer of water that's at least a centimeter deep. It looks like that. Okay, to create my ghost bubble, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my smoke gun and I'm gonna create a bubble that's filled with smoke. So you can see it. And once my bubble's formed, I'm gonna take my PVC wand and I'm gonna use the Triboelectric effect. The friction of this rabbit fur against this PVC pipe will give it a negative charge. And watch what happens when it gets close to my bubble. As if by magic, the bubble is attracted to the PVC. Let's try it again. So I'm gonna create a bubble. I'm gonna give my PVC wand a charge. It's picking up electrons from the rabbit fur. The rabbit fur has a positive charge, and now this has a negative charge. Watch the bubble. It's as though I could control the bubble. Look at that. The bubble is attracted to the wand. Watch. Just amazing. My magical Triboelectric ghost bubbles. A bubble gun, don't despair. Just use a drinking straw, dip it in your bubble solution and blow a bubble. Charge your PVC pipe with the rabbit fur so it has a negative charge as the plastic gains electrons, and it'll be attracted to the bubble that has a positive charge. Just like that. Just take your straw, blow a bubble. And you have your very own ghost bubbles. Is it magic or is it science? What do you think is really happening here? Okay, what's going on with the bubble is when you charge that PVC wand, it picks up electrons and has a negative charge. But the ions inside the bubble, they can move around. So when that PVC wand gets close to it, the positively charged ions in the bubble are drawn to the side of the bubble where the PVC pipe is because opposites attract. Whereas the negatively charged ions inside the bubble are pushed to the opposite side of the bubble because like poles repel. And so that's why the bubble is attracted to the PVC wand, is because the ions inside the bubble can move around. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.